Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. So activating two WhatsApp accounts simultaneously within one WhatsApp app on iPhone is not officially supported by WhatsApp due to its design and security policies. It is available in only Android phone. So now in iPhone, what you have to do is simply download the WhatsApp Messenger and log into this account. Now for your another mobile number, simply go to the App Store in your iPhone and search for the WhatsApp Business and download WhatsApp Business. Once downloaded, open the WhatsApp Business and register it with your secondary phone number, the one you want to use for the second WhatsApp account. You can use WhatsApp for your primary account and WhatsApp Business for your secondary account. Both apps can coexist on your iPhone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.